High voltage plate energy storage battery cabinet. It consists of 3 parts: cabinet, battery, and high voltage box. In one of these cabinets, the battery is output from 8 pieces of battery boxes in series to the total high voltage box. The input is total positive and total negative, and then the total negative and total positive output of these 2 outputs are emitters. Battery box series wiring harness. Battery total positive output, battery total negative output. BMS wiring harness, screws. Output plug, positive and negative. Cabinet keys and installation tools. Battery box negative and positive poles. BMS. High voltage box. The input of the high voltage box is total positive and the input is total negative. DC switch. Total negative, total positive, and reset switch of battery output. PCS communication port. BMS communication port. Debugging port. Put the battery box in the cabinet. Each battery box has 4 fixing screws. Remove the protective cap from the positive and negative poles. Insert the red end into the positive pole of the red end. Insert the black end into the positive pole of the black end. Align the position, then press down until you hear the click sound. That means already fixed. Connect battery negative poles. Connect the BMS harness. Connect the middle interface of high voltage box. Then use the tool to tighten both side screws. Connect the inverter to the output port. Press and hold for 3 seconds. LED display. Press and hold for 5 seconds. Turn the main switch to power off.